Oh my! The Hunch bell tower? Oh no! It's the five-headed lock Chautauqua! Oh, this can't be happening! This sounds like the Phantom of the Amphitheater!
Oh, here they come. And don't come back, troll! All right, thank you so much. Let's have a big hand for our monsters. And a big hand for our fellow mom. And a big hand for our fellow. And last but not least, that awful Thunder Bridge troll. Let's hear it for the troll. Thank you again, thank you all for coming. We want to see you all tonight at the Amp, and we'll be singing on the Amp stage. Happy birthday, Chautauqua. Thank you so much.
That was wonderful, kids. But I think next year you ought to bring cameras to take pictures. And what is your name, young lady? Molly. What's your last name? Molly Walsh. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful girl. What did the children's school do this year to raise money for Old First Time? Thunder Bridge troll, you were a troll in Thunder Bridge? No, you weren't. You were a part of the play? Wonderful. Did you have a particular part in the play? What were you?